Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make brownies. First, let's gather our essential ingredients and equipment. You'll need 1 cup of vegetable oil, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 cups and 4 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 large eggs. Don't forget 2/3 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Make sure your 8x8-inch baking pan is greased and lined. Now let's mix our brownie batter. In a medium bowl, whisk together the sugar, flour, cocoa powder, salt, and baking powder. In a separate large bowl, combine the vegetable oil, milk, vanilla extract, and eggs, whisking them well. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture, whisking until the batter is almost smooth. Finally, fold in 3/4 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. It's time to bake your delicious brownies. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully pour the prepared batter into your greased and lined 8x8-inch baking pan, spreading it evenly with a spatula. Bake the brownies for 40 to 45 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a wooden toothpick into the center. It should come out mostly clean. Be careful not to overbake them. Once baked, let your brownies cool completely in the pan. This step is crucial for achieving clean cuts and a fudgy texture. Once cooled, use a sharp knife or a 2x3-inch cookie cutter to cut them into squares. You can enjoy them plain, or with a scoop of ice cream or a drizzle of fudge. Store any leftover brownies in an airtight container to keep them fresh.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.